Imagine this. You've saved up, you've packed, and you're stepping onto your dream cruise ship, only to have security pull you aside. Suddenly, your vacation takes a turn for the worse as they confiscate your things. Don't let that be you. Today, we're counting down the top 10 ban items that rookie cruisers must avoid to keep their vacation smooth sailing. All right, now that I've got your attention, let's dive into the list. These aren't just random rules. They're in place for safety, security, and to keep that vacation vibe going for everyone. I've heard too many horror stories. And trust me, you don't want to be that person holding up the line at embarkation. Coming in at number 10. Extension cords and those basic power strips. You might think it's smart to pack one for all your gadgets, but cruise ships have very sensitive electrical systems. A regular extension cord can overload the circuit and create a serious fire risk. Most cruise lines will confiscate them on site. A pro tip: invest in a cruise-approved power strip, preferably one with USB ports. Just make sure to check your cruise line's specific rules first. At number 9, we have drones. I know, those aerial shots look incredible, but drones are a huge no-go on ships. They can interfere with the ship's navigation, invade other passengers' privacy, and honestly, they're just a safety hazard. Try to sneak one on, and you risk having it confiscated or even being kicked off the ship. Stick to your phone or a GoPro for those epic travel shots. Number 8 is candles and incense. Creating a cozy cabin vibe sounds nice, but open flames on a floating hotel packed with thousands of people. That's a recipe for disaster. Fire is the biggest threat at sea, so these are strictly forbidden. Even those realistic-looking battery-operated candles can get flagged by security. Want a nice scent? Your best bet is the fresh salt air from your balcony. Sailing into the number 7 spot is hard liquor. While most cruise lines let you bring a bottle or two of wine or champagne per adult, bringing your own bottles of spirits is banned. It's partly to manage alcohol consumption for safety, and partly because, well, they want you to buy drinks from their bars. Don't even think about those sneaky rum runner flasks. Security scanners are wise to them. Just budget for drinks on board or enjoy the local flavors in port. Next up, at number 6, are irons and clothes steamers. It's tempting to pack a travel iron to keep your outfits looking crisp. But these heating appliances are another major fire hazard in a small cabin. Instead, hang your clothes in the bathroom while you take a hot shower. The steam works like a charm for getting out wrinkles. Or you can always use the ship's laundry and pressing services. At number 5, we have weapons and self-defense items. This might seem obvious, but things like pepper spray, large knives, or even brass knuckles are sometimes packed for just-in-case protection. Cruise ships have their own professional security teams, and these items are completely banned to ensure everyone's safety. Double-check your pockets and bags for that multi-tool with a blade before you leave home. Number 4 is a big one: illegal substances, and that includes marijuana. Even if it's legal or medicinal where you live, cruise ships operate under international maritime law where these are strictly prohibited. The same often goes for CBD products. Getting caught can lead to serious legal trouble in foreign ports, getting kicked off the ship, and a lifetime ban from the cruise line. It's just not worth the risk. Sliding into number 3 are personal heating appliances like hot plates, coffee makers, or kettles. These are banned for the same reason as iron stay, a fire hazard, and can overload the ship's electrical grid. Besides, you've got room service and 24/7's buffets for your coffee fix. If you're particular about your brew, bring some quality instant coffee packs. At number 2, we have hoverboards and personal electric scooters. These gadgets are known for their lithium batteries, which have a history of being a fire risk. Plus, zipping down a crowded hallway is just an accident waiting to happen. If you require a mobility scooter for medical reasons, you can get it approved beforehand. But recreational rideables have to stay at home. And finally, the number 1 banned item that will absolutely sink your trip before it even starts is firearms, explosives, or ammunition. This is a non-negotiable zero-tolerance rule under international law. Luggage is screened just like at an airport, and trying to bring any of these on board will have severe consequences. Leave the action hero gear for the movies and focus on relaxation. So there you have it, the 10 things to leave at home to ensure you breeze through security and start your vacation the right way. A little prep goes a long way. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise tips and secrets. Let me know in the comments. What is the weirdest thing you've seen someone try to bring on a cruise? Thanks for watching, and I wish you fair winds and following seas.